Hi, I'm James from Smarter Business Processes. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use QR codes to speed up and simplify your processes. Let's say I work in a hospital ward and it's my job to keep track of the stock level of each type of PPE. Here is a list of different items of PPE, aprons, masks, gloves, etc., along with the current stock level. This data lives in Smartsheet, but let's say we want to be able to add and subtract stock on a phone using QR codes. For this, we'll use AppSheet. Here is our demo app on my phone showing the same data as before. AppSheet is accessing the Smartsheet data directly. When a new box of PPE gets delivered, using our app, we can scan the QR code on the box and it will take us directly to the stock item. It sees the QR code and immediately knows that this box contains, in this case, surgical gowns. We add the quantity and AppSheet immediately syncs this new data to Smartsheet. You can see it syncing one new item at the top right there. It then updates the current stock level on the app, and you can see that Smartsheet has updated too. As this PPE stock gets removed from the store over time to be used in the hospital ward, we can again use the app to quickly amend the stock level. Let's say that 50 surgical gowns have been taken out. There you go. Each stock item has a restock level. If the quantity dips below this threshold, an alert will be sent automatically to the relevant person to inform them that more of this stock item needs to be ordered. Let's trigger this now by taking a further 60 surgical gowns from the store. As you can see, the stock item turns red on the app and then also appears in the restock items report here. Meanwhile, an email has been sent to notify the relevant person. So that's a simple example of how QR codes can be used to speed up processes. There are, of course, countless examples of their use, not least the COVID-19 track and trace functionality in public places around the world right now. At Smarter Business Processes, we can build you an app to suit your needs, and if you can see a use for QR codes in your business, we can make it work for you. We'd be happy to provide a free initial consultation to discuss your requirements. Thanks very much for watching.